back to my channel. It's your girl Hope. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today we're going to be having career conversations, and our topic is going to be the different career paths for accountants. So if you're studying accounting or you're considering a switch in career, this is the best place for you to be right now. I'll be giving you the different groups, the different areas that you can focus on as an accountant. Stay tuned. So first on the list, we have public accounting. What's public accounting? I'll just give you a brief summary. It's an area of accounting where you provide services to different clients, different external clients, and these services can range from audit, tax, consulting, financial advisory, and these services you're just providing to businesses, to governments, to non-profits, different types of organization. Basically, you majorly find accountants come to form partnerships, firms, we call them professional services firms, where they now provide services to clients. So it's a very good and lucrative area to focus on, because we are going to have options to choose different areas depending on the size of the firm you are joining. So if you're going to join a smaller firm, just know that you will be doing several things. But if you join bigger firms, you can now decide to specialize in audit or tax. We're going to be considering which is better to start your career in, but that is not the topic of conversation for today. So just have that in mind. We have public accounting. So when you hear somebody say, oh, I work in a professional services firm, they are public accountants, and there are several certifications that are available for you to have that will help you to practice here. We have the chartered accountants, where we have CPA, that's chartered public accountants. You have the ACCA, you have the ACCA. We have different qualifications available for accountants, basically. So let's not get it confused. The certifications I mentioned are available for every accountant. It doesn't matter what area you want to work in, you need to be certified, basically. So the second area we're going to be looking at is corporate accounting. Corporate accounting is just you as an accountant working within an organization. Remember when I talked about public accounting, I said you're going to have a professional services firm, and then clients come to give you jobs to do. You render external services for the clients. But when you're a corporate accountant, you work as an accountant within an organization. So here you can work anywhere. Basically, accounting, finance is one of the careers that you have, and you can work anywhere you can think about. So far they are dealing with numbers, they are working with numbers, whether for profit or not for profit, they need an accountant. So if you just want to stay in an organization and grow within that organization, you're going to be working in corporate accounting. So yeah, you're just going to be an accountant working in the accounting function, finance function of the organization. And as an accountant, you're going to be handling the financial reporting, record keeping, analysis, ensuring that the organization you're working with is compliant with all the relevant laws and regulations. It will be a blunder for you to be there and then they default without you bringing it to their notice. Third on the list, we have government accounting. I think this is really explanatory. It is where an accountant works for the government in any level. So it can be the local government, the state government, the federal government, whatever level of the government you're working with. So far you're working with a government in a government setting, you are a government accountant. So what it entails that you're still going to be performing your accounting functions, but within a government organization. So I'm letting you know, when you come out, you want to switch career, you want to join accounting and finance, you can join public accounting, you can join corporate, or you can work for the government. You are not restricted in any way. It could even be government parastatals, So next on the list, we have non-profit accounting. Yes, non-profits require accountants as well. So as an accountant working in a non-profit sector, what are you going to be doing? You're going to be ensuring that the non-profit you're working with complies with all the rules and regulations, all the grant requirements that they have. You're also going to be tracking funds for charitable events. So basically, that non-profits are not running activities, they're not running business to make profits, but to fund, to ensure that they're making an impact, right? So you're going to ensure that whatever monies that they receive is used for what it was supposed to do, and that other employees within also report, so that they are not defaulting in any way with these funds that they have. That's what non-profit accounting is all about in summary. Last but not the least, we have academia. Yes, so not everybody is going to work with the accounting knowledge in terms of working with an organization, either internally or externally or with government. But some people, you can actually study accounting, dwell in that line to impart knowledge by lecturing, also taking up roles as research assistant, teaching assistant, doing research to further enlarge the knowledge of accounting in the world. That's also a good way to use your accounting and finance knowledge. Let me know if you found this video useful today, and please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you have anybody around you wondering what is accounting about and what can you use this degree to do, or what can you do in this career, there are several options available. Thank you.